More than 82 million people in the US own a smartphone. So it's a no-brainer that having a mobile marketing strategy is a smart decision. The future of mobile is now. But it's no secret that many businesses are struggling to adapt. They don't have a strategy, and they lack the resources to get on board. The world is buzzing about topics like mobile websites, mobile apps, and QR codes. But most entrepreneurs, marketers, and other professionals don't understand the impact that these tools will have on their business. Well, here's what you need to know. Mobile will have a profound impact on your business. Today's the day that you decide whether it'll be a positive impact or a negative one. Because businesses that ignore the data and fall behind the mobile trend will also fall behind in traffic, leads, and sales. Social Media Marketing University's Mobile Success course is designed to help businesses get ahead of the mobile curve. You'll receive the knowledge and tools you'll need to boost your business with mobile. And there's no risk because you're backed by our money-back guarantee. So enroll today. Success is calling you.